screw in there. To do the job, I use this tubeless tyre repair kit. I use a cross-headed screwdriver, as there was that type of screw in there. Otherwise, you could use these pliers, grips. I use water to check, once I've done the job, to check there was no air leak by pouring that on the film, on the plug. And obviously at the end of it all, I use the compressor to fill it up again with air. This can be a quick job, and it can be made even quicker by taking one of these strips here and putting it through there in advance, through the hole there, as I'll show you in a moment. There you are, that's about halfway. It does take it's a bit tricky at first threading it through, but it only takes a few seconds. Right, here we go. Unscrewing it. There we go. Keep turning it in. In that far. Turn it a quarter of a turn and pull. Get your knife. Where is it? There we are. And cut the ends off. Right, now we'll see. Make sure you put the screw where it's not going to cause any more damage. Right. Right, let's start the car up again, see if there's any warning lights. Nope, that looks fine. Right, we'll come back a bit later and give it a double check, but I think we've done the job.